Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads, whether they be competitors, whether they be just any business for that matter. You'll be able to literally figure out what kind of ads people are running if they are currently running ads. Now there's two ways to do it. I'm going to show you the exact two ways. But before I do, I want to let you know in the description of this video, you're also going to find a video that I recorded, which will show you how to spy on your competitors' TikTok ads. So basically how to find the exact ads that a business is running on TikTok if they are. And then I'll also show you another way of how you can actually see the exact ads that a business is running on YouTube. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you check out those videos. I'll have the link in the description. But for the sake of this video, we're going to show you the first method of actually how to spy on competitors' TikTok ads. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the website facebook.com/ads/library. And then once you're on this site, you can go ahead here and choose what location do you want to see if they are running any ads. I recommend you keep it on all, that way you can see all the locations. And then for ads, you're going to need to choose a category, make sure it's on all ads. Now for the example that we're going to use here, we're going to use a company called Nominal. So let me just go ahead and show you guys their website. So this is Nominal. They are a Arabic jewelry site, basically sell Arabic jewelry. Just go ahead and open this for you real quick just to show you the site. So as you can see, this is their site right here. We'll go ahead and basically copy the name of their business. So what you would do is you would figure out the name of the business or the competitor you want to research. And you come here into this box and you would search it. And you just want to make sure that before you don't hit enter, because if you hit enter, it's going to give you every business that has Nominal. What you want to do is actually look for the page. So as you can see here, this is them, Nominal, at Nominal. So we'll go ahead and click on it. And now what this will give us is many things. It'll tell us, first of all, it'll tell us in what location people have access to the page. So as you can see here, it says 5 people in the United States and then 1 person in Serbia. We'll also be able to see how many ads they're running. So it looks like these guys are running 690 different ads, which is a lot. We'll be able to see the exact platforms that they are marketing on. So as you can see, here's the platforms. We'll be able to see the exact date that the ad started running, right? And then obviously we'll be able to see the ad copy, we'll be able to see the image as well as the headline. So this is really unique, you guys. So as you can see here, you can tell that this is a story ad. And again, you can see the exact creatives they're using, you can see the exact ads they're running, and you will probably want to do this for many reasons. One, you want to see if someone is running ads or not, and then the other reason, maybe you want some inspiration as to what kind of ads you need to create. We actually use the Facebook ad library personally to see if businesses are running ads. That way, if they are, we can go ahead and pitch them, or if they're not, again, we can pitch them as well. But you probably want to use this for any reason. But as you can see here, this is the first way of actually how to figure out if someone is running ads or essentially spy on them. Right now, I'll show you the other method. You can do it either or. The second method is to basically go to facebook.com. So let me just go ahead and go back to the home page. Once you're on facebook.com, over here, what you want to do is type in the name of the business that you want to spy on, essentially. In this case, it's going to be Nominal. So we'll go ahead and click on it. And over here, as you can see, there's an about section. So what you're going to want to do is find the about section where it's going to tell you page transparency. So Facebook has been under a lot of scrutiny the past year and a half. And what Congress forced them to do is to have as much transparency as possible on any page that's running ads. So right now on any Facebook page, you can come to the page and you'll have this section right here, and it'll tell you Facebook is showing information to help you understand the purpose of this page. So when you click see all, you'll be able to see right here ads from this library. And if it's running ads, it'll tell you this page is currently running ads. And if it's not, it'll say this page is currently not running ads. Regardless if they are or not, you'll have a button here where you can click it and it'll automatically take you to the ad library. All right, so as you can see here, it'll automatically take us to the ad library. Now, it only shows one because it shows that my address is in Egypt because I'm currently in Egypt. But if you hit all and then you hit ads, all ads, and then you make sure that you actually are clicking the right one, you'll see here that now we have 690. So that is the second way, is to essentially do it from their Facebook. And then the other way is to go directly to facebook.com/ads/library. And that is essentially how you will be able to see any business that is running ads and see all this awesome information. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know how to find out what kind of ads your competitors are running on TikTok as well as on YouTube, make sure you check those two videos in the description. Hope you guys got some value from this, and I'll see you in the next one.